Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future with the 17 AI trends everyone will be talking about. From healthcare to transportation, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Let's get started. First up, we've got AI in healthcare. Imagine a world where algorithms can diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, sometimes even before symptoms appear. We're talking about AI analyzing medical images, crunching patient data in seconds, and personalizing treatment plans like never before. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now. AI can handle the heavy lifting, analyzing massive datasets and assisting doctors in making more informed decisions. This means faster, more accurate diagnoses and ultimately better healthcare for everyone. Next up, let's talk self-driving cars. This technology has been making headlines for years, and for good reason. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are making huge strides in this field, and we're seeing more and more autonomous vehicles hitting the roads in testing phases. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and increased mobility for everyone, even those who can't drive themselves. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles, and it's a future worth getting excited about. Now let's talk about AI in finance, because who doesn't love talking about money, right? But seriously, AI is making some major waves in the financial world. We're talking about algorithms that can analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and even detect fraudulent transactions in real time. AI is changing the game for both consumers and financial institutions, making the entire system more efficient, secure, and accessible. Chapter 4. Natural Language Processing. Talking to machines and actually being understood. Let's talk about natural language processing, or NLP. This tech powers chatbots, voice assistants, and language models like GPT-3. NLP translates languages, generates chatbot dialogue, and writes creative content. As NLP evolves, expect more innovative applications. Chapter 5. AI in Education. Personalized learning, powered by algorithms. Next up, let's talk about AI in education. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized learning experience tailored to their unique needs and learning style. We're talking about intelligent tutoring systems that can adapt to a student's pace, identify areas where they need extra help, and provide personalized feedback. No more one-size-fits-all classrooms. AI is all about creating a customized learning journey for every student. That's the power of AI in education. Chapter 6. AI in Retail. The future of shopping is here. AI-powered chatbots can answer your questions instantly, personalized product recommendations based on your browsing history, and even cashierless stores that let you walk in, grab what you need, and walk out without ever having to pull out your wallet. AI is transforming the way retailers manage their inventory, track their supply chains, and predict customer demand. Chapter 7. AI in Manufacturing. Robots and AI, the ultimate manufacturing duo. Let's talk about AI in manufacturing. Robots and AI optimize production lines, improve quality control, and create safer, more efficient processes. AI analyzes data to prevent problems, reducing downtime and costs. From predictive maintenance to quality control, AI is transforming the factory floor, making it smarter, safer, and more efficient. Chapter 8. AI in Cybersecurity. The guardians of the digital realm. Let's face it, the internet can be a dangerous place. That's where AI in cybersecurity comes in. We're talking about AI algorithms that can detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, protecting our data, our privacy, and our digital infrastructure. AI can analyze network traffic, identify suspicious activity, and even predict future attacks before they happen. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, AI will play an even greater role in keeping us safe online. Chapter 9. AI in Entertainment. The future of fun is here. Let's talk about AI in entertainment. AI-generated music, personalized movie recommendations, and video games that adapt to your style. AI is making entertainment more immersive and engaging. Imagine movies edited for you, or music composed by AI. Video games with challenging AI opponents, and streaming services recommending what you'll love. AI is making entertainment more fun and personalized. Chapter 10. AI in agriculture, farming smarter, not harder. Feeding a growing global population is no easy feat. That's where AI in agriculture comes in. AI-powered drones monitor crop health, robots harvest crops with precision, and algorithms optimize irrigation. AI helps farmers work smarter, not harder. By improving efficiency and sustainability, AI ensures we can feed the world. Chapter 11. AI in smart homes. Your home, but smarter. Let's talk about AI in smart homes. Homes that adjust temperature automatically, lights that turn on when you enter, and voice-controlled appliances. AI makes homes smarter and more efficient. Security cameras recognize faces, and smoke detectors alert early. AI makes homes safer and more secure. Chapter 12. AI in marketing. Reaching the right audience every time. Let's talk about AI in marketing. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can help businesses understand their customers better, target their marketing campaigns more effectively, and measure their results with greater accuracy. AI can analyze massive datasets of customer data to identify patterns and trends, predict future behavior, and personalize marketing messages. This means businesses can reach the right audience with the right message at the right time, maximizing their return on investment and building stronger customer relationships. Chapter 13. AI in human resources. Finding the perfect candidate. No, really. Let's talk about AI in human resources. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can help businesses streamline their hiring process, identify top talent, and create a more engaged and productive workforce. AI can automate tedious tasks like screening resumes, scheduling interviews, and even conducting initial candidate assessments. This frees up HR professionals to focus on more strategic tasks like talent development, employee engagement, and building a positive company culture. Chapter 14. AI in energy. Powering the future sustainably. Let's talk about AI in energy. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can help us optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and transition to a more sustainable energy future. AI can analyze energy consumption patterns, predict future demand, and optimize energy distribution. This means we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, lower our carbon footprint, and create a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. AI in legal, the law, now powered by algorithms. Let's talk about AI in legal. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can help lawyers conduct legal research more efficiently, analyze contracts, and even predict the outcome of legal cases. AI can analyze massive datasets of legal documents, identify relevant case law, and even draft legal documents. This means lawyers can spend less time on tedious tasks and more time providing strategic counsel to their clients. Chapter 16. AI in transportation. Getting from A to B seamlessly. Let's talk about AI in transportation. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can help us optimize traffic flow, improve public transportation, and create a more efficient and sustainable transportation system. AI can analyze traffic patterns, predict congestion, and optimize traffic light timing. This means shorter commute times, reduced fuel consumption, and a more efficient transportation system overall. Chapter 17. AI Ethics and Regulation. The future of AI, responsibly. Finally, let's talk about AI ethics and regulation. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, it's crucial that we develop ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that it's used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. By working together, we can harness the power of AI for good, creating a future where technology benefits everyone. See you in the future. That's it for today's video. We've covered a lot of ground, from AI in healthcare to AI in transportation. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. See you in the next one.